Welcome back to Crack the Windows. Today, we're all about making your Windows 11 work even better. We're diving into something really important but not often talked about, clearing cache. Get ready as we find out the secret tricks to make your Windows 11 run super smoothly. So let's crack the Windows. Before we start with the step-by-step guide, let's understand what cache is. Imagine it as a collection of temporary stuff your computer keeps to work faster. But, over time, it gets too full and makes your computer slower. Cleaning it regularly is like giving your computer a nice. Starting our cache clearing expedition with the software distribution folder, the treasure trove of Windows Update files. Go to Drive C. Double-click on Windows, Software Distribution folder, then download. By clearing these out, we're not only freeing up space but potentially speeding up your system's response time. Now, let's take a peek into the temp folders, hidden within our temporary files just waiting to be swept away. Go to Run and type %temp%. Deleting these not only declutters your system but can also make room for smoother operations. Make clearing cache a regular part of taking care of your computer. It's like giving it some extra love and care. Go to Run and type temp. We need to delete all these files too. Clearing it gives your internet a refreshing boost, making it faster and more reliable. This will make your system happy and perform better. Again, go to Run and type Prefetch. It's like a super cleaner for your computer. This little known repository stores data to help launch apps faster. However, it can get a bit too crowded. Let's clear it out to pave the way for quicker app launches. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Ever had trouble with the Windows Store? Here's where WS Reset helps. Press Windows key plus R, then type WS Reset and hit enter. It resets the Windows Application Store and clears cache issues that may result in slow performance or errors. It's like giving it a fresh start for smoother browsing. Let's do something cool. Go to Search and type CMD. Run as administrator. Now type ipconfig flush DNS and press enter. It's like giving a secret command to our computer. This command clears the DNS cache, which is like a memory box for the internet. Finally, let's use disk cleanup. Here's how you find it. Go to the search, type disk cleanup and hit enter. Once it opens, select the drive you want to clean. Click OK. It will then scan your computer for unnecessary files. Check the boxes next to the types of files you want to clean, like temporary files and recycle bin. Click OK again, and then delete files. Here's a helpful tip for everyone exploring tech. Clearing cache is great, but be careful. Don't delete important system files by mistake. Disk cleanup will work its magic, tidying up all those extra files that slow down your computer. And that's it for today. Stay tuned for our next video on Windows wonders. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy computing.